So today, you learn how to download and install Node.js on your Windows 11. So first, open your browser and search Node.js, press enter. Click on the official link, nodejs.org. So from here, click download, scroll down and click Windows installer. So wait for the file to be downloaded. So our download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. Minimize. So let's begin the setup. Click next. So from here, license agreement, click accept and click next. So it will be installed in this location, but if you want to change your directory, click change and select the location of your choice. So from here, click next. So custom setup, so click next. So from here, tools for native modules, you can click automatically install and click next. So it's ready to install Node.js, click install and wait. So click next, yes, sorry, and wait for Node.js to be installed on your local system. So the setup is complete. You can click finish. So let's verify the installation. Come to the search bar and type cmd, press enter. In the command prompt, type node space -v and press enter. If the following is visible, meaning that we have successfully installed Node.js on our Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.